No other circular saw even comes close to this one. Introducing the TS Plunge Cut Saw System, the new standard in handheld power saws. With the Festool Plunge Cut Saw System, you can easily make long, straight, splinter-free cuts without moving the material and without clamps. Since the rubber edge of the guide rail is the cutting line, there's no offset to worry about. Notice the quality of the cut. It's virtually splinter-free on both the top and the bottom of the workpiece. How can you make angle cuts in sheet goods without needing other people to help you maneuver the workpiece through a table saw? With Festool's Plunge Cut Saw System, cutting almost any angle in sheet goods is easy. The guide rail is placed on the workpiece. Set the angle unit on the rail and adjust for the desired angle. Tighten it down. Position the rail according to the setting on the angle unit and saw. Now, this normally time-consuming task can be completed in a fraction of the time. For extra stability, optional clamps are available. The guide rail ensures that every cut will be easy and, most importantly, safe. How can you make accurate plunge cuts safely and easily? Using the Festool Plunge Cut Saw, you simply position the guide rail, set the saw in place, and align the index mark to the beginning of the desired cut. Slide the limit stop into place behind the saw. Make your cut. Notice the ease, precision, and quality of the cut. With Festool, even bevel cuts are easy, accurate, and splinter-free. To show you just how easy and accurate bevel cuts can be, watch as the saw is placed on the guide rail. A straight cut is made. The angle of the saw is adjusted. The cut is made again along the exact same line as before, except it is now beveled. As always, the Festool Plunge Cut Saw leaves a quality cut. All Festool saws are designed with dust extraction in mind. Look at how much dust and debris results without using dust extraction. Now see the difference when using the saw with a Festool dust extractor. Using the Festool Plunge Cut Saw System with dust extraction gives you shop performance with flawless results and leaves a clean job site afterwards. Festool makes plunge cut saws and jigsaws, all known for their unequaled cut quality and precise performance.